This is Sam. I'm coming this dealership. Around the 2 years, I'm clean all the car for dealership. All the time, the guy call me. I'm calling clean all the car. You know, offside. You see all the car. My car is there. Yeah, this is sign. Yeah, we have to go talk to dealership. He's so nice guy, experience is the mechanic and sell the car. I want to talk to him. Hi, how are you, Mr.?
Salam.
How are you?
Salam, hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? Ya İngilizce mi bu?
İngilizce, hi. This is Safelane Auto Repair. I've been mechanic for over 20 years, dealerships, and now I have my own shop, and I do all repairs. 6 years now I'm here. Car sales, any car you want, we go to auction, and whatever you like, we can get it for you.
Can you address, please?
And my address is Safelane Auto Repair. Here you are. Okay.
Yeah.
So anything you need, give me a call. I'll see what I can do for you.
Can you thank you about my job, please?
Oh yes, and of course Sam does all the detailing for me, cleans up, excellent job. All my customers, they look at the car, it looks like brand new. So
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.